Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you factory reset your Owlet Sock base station. So here are reset steps, repair and Wi-Fi setup. Step 1, keep the base station powered on. Plug the OLED base station into a power outlet and make sure it's turned on. Step 2, press and hold the button. Press and hold the button on the base station for about 10 to 15 seconds. Step 3, wait for the light to change. Keep holding the button until the light changes color and starts flashing, then release the button. This indicates the reset has started. Step 4, wait for the reset to finish. Allow a few minutes for the base station to restart. The status lights will show when it's ready for setup. Step 5, set up the base station again. Open the OLED tab, sign into your account. Tap Account and go to My OLED Devices. Select Add Device or Reconnect Device. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the base station to your Wi-Fi and pair it with the OLED sock. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.